Xiaomi recently launched the Mi Mix 2S in the Philippines together with the Redmi Note 5. Before its official market release in June, we got our hands on the Mi Mix 2S to test it out in a full review and some comparisons. But before that, here's our unboxing and first impressions of this device. Hey guys, this is Daniel from Manila Shaker. The Mi Mix 2S comes in a huge matte black box with a small Mi logo in gold printed on the center. The packaging for this one is different from the Redmi smartphones we have unboxed recently. Upon opening the box, you'll see a black board with the Xiaomi CEO Lei Jun's message written in gold as well. Next thing that you'll see is the 5.99-inch Mi Mix 2S, a wall adapter, a USB Type-C, a Type-C dongle, some documents, a SIM ejector pin, and a matte black case. Just like other Xiaomi smartphones, it doesn't come with a headphone. The device bears a curved ceramic design as well as a curved aluminum alloy frame. Its dimension measures 150.9 by 74.9 by 8.1 mm and weighs 191 grams. Thankfully, it doesn't bear the notch that was popularized by Apple. Xiaomi goes all out with their ultra-thin bezels to make viewing experience even better. To make this possible though, they had to compromise. The front-facing camera is still placed at the bottom right of the smartphone, which is a hassle if you love taking selfies since you have to rotate the smartphone to take one. We have the black variant here, so the front camera isn't noticeable because it is black-coated too. Going to the rear, the dual cameras with the LED flash are now placed at the left side and are positioned vertically. The circular fingerprint scanner is at the back as well. Below that is a Mi Mix designed by Xiaomi in gold. One thing that we just don't like about the design of the Xiaomi smartphone is how it is prone to fingerprint smudges, and it's pretty hard to wipe them off. Let's move on to the sides of the smartphone. The volume rockers and the power button are located at the right, while the SIM trays are at the opposite side. On top is the microphone and below are the speaker grill, microphone, and the USB Type-C port. Again, there's no headphone jack. The Mi Mix 2S features a 5.99-inch LCD display with a resolution of 2160 by 1080 pixels and an aspect ratio of 18:9. It delivers a great color representation when watching movies and playing games. The display of the Mi Mix 2S isn't the brightest that we've had our hands on this year, but it's bright enough that we didn't have viewing problems under the sun. In the sea of mid-range and notch smartphones, it's pretty satisfying to have one without it and bears almost borderless display. The huge display gave us a wonderful viewing experience as we can just pinch the sides of the phone to make the screen bigger. The notch can be irritating for some, especially when playing games or watching videos as it gives you a small black screen protruding at the sides. The Mi Mix 2S has a main camera that features 12MP plus 12MP AI dual camera containing a Sony IMX363 imaging sensor. This sensor sports dual pixel autofocus. The Mi Mix 2S also contains the latest AI technology which supports AI scene detection, improved bokeh, and an advanced Beautify 4.0. Furthermore, the rear camera features 2x optical zoom. The smartphone also has a 5MP selfie camera. Here are some sample shots. The device is powered by the Qualcomm Snapdragon 845 along with 8x Kryo 385 cores clocked up to 2.8 GHz. The phone that will arrive comes in two variants. It will contain 6GB of RAM and 64 or 128GB of internal storage. The Mi Mix 2S runs on Android Oreo and is powered by a 3400 mAh battery supported by Qi standard wireless charging. We'll dive more about its features and user experience in our full review. The Mi Mix 2S will be priced depending on its variants. The 6GB RAM plus 64GB variant will be priced at 27,990 pesos, while the 6GB RAM plus 128GB variant will be priced at 29,990 pesos. The handset will be available at the beginning of June 2018 in the Mi Store and the Lazada Store. Once again, this has been Daniel from Manila Shaker. Please don't forget to like the video if you liked it, and do subscribe if you want to see more. Thanks for watching!